Making some homemade mayo. Got using sunflower oil and olive oil, and then put some garlic, lemon juice, paprika, and cayenne pepper, and a little bit of white vinegar. Should come out real nice. All right, here's how it came out. Not too thick. Could maybe stand to add a little more oil if you want it to thicken up a little more. But a little bit of a creamy texture there. You can see some of that paprika and a little spice. Okay, I added some more sunflower oil to thicken it up, and here you can see the final product. Look at that beautiful